He's gonna drop that.
Yeah, there's something on
Well, he had his chance to just go. Now he's gonna break something. He's gonna end up getting pushed out of there.
Locked up.
Grandpa, I don't know if you noticed, but most of the Chevys didn't do that.
They didn't have enough traction.
Oh yeah, tow truck.
Yeah, big time. That thing's seized. That's stuck.
That thing either. Actually,
See what happens when you try to do that with Fords? They just don't hold up.
No, that thing's tight.
hey, Glenn. Oh, get out of there.
They gotta get it running? You got it running good?
Put your four-wheel drive and drag the rest 15, 20 minutes, half hour, and all of a sudden she shuts off. And I don't know if it's the carburetor or what it is, but anyhow, it's tough.
It's not going, is it going
But I got it, well, I'd say I had it running for an hour.
What's that?
I had it running for an hour. So I hope it, take the drive shaft off.
I think it's really good concealing and rolling.
No, that back end is seized up.
Think the rear end is seized up?
I think so. The only thing would be to go in there and knock everything loose. Oh, we'll go in reverse. Don't back her up into there, you'll never get out.
Hammer it.
Yeah, don't go any further than there. I'll let Marlo deal with it.